Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best ways on how you can make your PC run faster. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So I'm just going to show you the best ways on how you can make your PC run fast and it won't lag or do any stutters while playing games or anything. So our first method is going to be basically disabling startup programs. So as you know, too many apps start with Windows and it gives you a slow boot time. What you need to do is just simply press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC, and it will pop up your task manager. You can directly open up your task manager as well by just pressing on this task manager, and you'll see this. Now right over here, you gotta go to Startup, and you basically have to disable the apps that are basically uh, taking startup. So right over here, as you can see, Crosshair Axe. So its startup impact is very high. So what you can do is just press on it and basically disable it. And there you go. Now it's disabled. Now it's not gonna actually do a startup impact on your PC, and that's good. That was the first method. You can disable more apps like that and your PC will run faster. Now after that, we got clean temporary file. So it's very simple. What you can do is just press Windows plus R and you need to type in temp and you need to press OK. And over here are the temporary files. So my PC doesn't run slow, but if your PC is actually running slow, what you can do is just select all of them and just simply press on delete. So you can just either press the delete key or delete them like this. But yeah, once this is done, now let's just move on to our third step. And third method is uninstall these unused programs. So you know that you got like many uninstalled unused programs. So what you can do is just go to your control panel like this. And let me just open up control panel quickly. And here we go. Now what you need to do is just go to uninstall a program, and right over here you'll see all the programs that you don't need anymore and you don't want to use. So like right over here I got this 5M, so I basically don't use it no more. So what you can do is just simply uninstall it like this, and yeah, it's as simple as that, and it's gonna basically uninstall all the stuff that you don't need. So right over here you can just simply uninstall the apps that you don't use because they also make your PC go slow. Now for our fourth method is just basically adjust the performance settings. So how you can do that is by just simply going to settings again and then going to power and sleep settings, and right over here just make sure that you're set on best performance, and right over here you need to go to additional power settings, and right over here just make sure that it's on high performance, not on balanced or power saver. So yeah, just make sure that it's on high performance. But after that, as our another step is just simply scan for malware or viruses. So if you got viruses, just open Windows Security and run a full scan. So just go ahead and go to settings and type in Windows Security settings, and right over here you can just run a full scan, and you can just check whatever is going through your PC. And the last one is just upgrading your hardware is the best method. If software fixes aren't enough, you can upgrade an SSD. It gives a huge speed boost. Add more RAM. It's more powerful solution. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.